And what about Jesus? You know that story of Jesus feeding the multitude? You ever think about that today? With the fish and the loaves? Can't you just see that today? Hot fish, hot fish! Does this fish have any bones? I can't be eating no fried fish. Is this bread gluten-free? But you know, one of the things I really think about, and she's really not mentioned in the Bible, but I think about the waitress at the Last Supper. You ever think about her? Can you imagine the attitude she must have had? She getting ready to get off work, and here comes Jesus. Girl, my feet are killing me. And here comes this man with a party of 12. I'll tell you, this is my last supper. They want a private room, and now you tell me they want separate checks. I would send him away, but he'll just be back in 3 days.